heavy snowfall in the areas near mountains are leading to cold weather in northern part of India, including Uttar Pradesh. Bulandshahr recorded lowest temperature of 5 degree, while state capital Lucknow is reeling under the temperature of 9 degree, due to which the bonfires are back into action as commuters are seeking help from it, in a way just trying to comfort not just humans but even animals are in a way taking support of these bonfire to comfort themselves amid the chilly breeze happening all around here. It's not just that the weather department has already alerted that announced that it will be the cold day in Lucknow and Uttar Pradesh districts. Also, it's worth mentioning here that there will be a dip of 5 degree temperature in the coming week as per the weather department. But these bonfires surely are giving a sigh of relief to the commuters, to those who are traveling across, especially those who are in a way are having the shops around the streets to comfort themselves. As per them, it's the morning and evening which haunts them the most. If you see the visuals out here, then in the sky, top of the sky, there is no sun whatsoever for the past 2 to 3 days, and that's also leading to the fog-like situation. Though the visibility is quite for 550 meters around in various districts of Uttar Pradesh, but if you talk about the coming days, because it's the start of the new year, by tomorrow we can expect some more fog with the dip in temperature in the days to come. With cameraman Gaurav Gupta, Samarth Srivastav for India Today.